Hi everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. You know, I consider myself a health buff and I do follow certain lifestyles sometimes. And lately I thought why not up the ante in terms of what I cook here in this channel by cooking and sharing with you healthy stuff, and maybe it will benefit a lot of people. And so from today I'm going to be cooking here paleo, keto, vegetarian or pescatarian friendly dishes. And what a way to start with a paleo nachos. Nachos is my favorite, as well as a favorite of millions and millions of people out there. So let's get started. And because this is a paleo friendly dish, I'm going to be using sweet potato here. So first thing that we need to do is to slice our sweet potato here. First I'm going to cut off the pointy ends of it. And the next thing that we need to do is to thinly slice our sweet potato using our mandolin here. So this is our sliced potato here, and now we're ready to bake it. And to bake our sweet potato, we're going to be using our baking sheet here that is lined with a wire rack. So what I'm going to do here is to just spread my sliced tomato in this baking sheet here. And we're going to bake it for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And now while we are baking our sweet potato, it's time for us to make our beef sauce. And over here in this pan, which is already nice and hot, I'm going to add olive oil in it. And now that my olive oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add in here my grass-fed ground beef. By the way, this is 454 grams. So I'm just going to add this here. We're going to break it up. And I will need some space here for my garlic and onion. And I'll add my chopped garlic. And my chopped onion. I'll give it a good mix. Just season it with salt. And cracked pepper. Give it a mix. And I'm going to use this big fork here to break up my ground beef. And we'll cook this until there's no more pink beef in this pan here. Now that our beef is cooked, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 tablespoon of Spanish paprika, and 1/2 freshly sliced tomato, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, sliced green onion, and these are 3 stems, by the way. We'll give it a good mix. And then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of crushed tomatoes. And we'll give it a really good mix here. Our nacho sauce is cooked and we are just going to set this aside for now. At this point, we're going to make our guacamole. So first we have to slice our tomato. This is 1 whole tomato, by the way. And then we're going to do our green onion. And our avocados. Squeeze it out. And we're going to chop some fresh parsley. And squeeze out the juice of one lime. And then a pinch of salt. And a sprinkle of crushed chili pepper. And cracked black pepper. And lots of olive oil. About 3 tablespoons. And freshly minced garlic. We'll give it a good mix. And this is good to go. We're going to set this aside for now. Back to our nacho sauce here. I've actually added more tomato sauce. So it's a total of 1 cup of tomato sauce that I've used for this one here. And I'm just going to give it a good final mix. And this is good to go. And we are now ready to assemble our Paleo nachos. And I'm going to use my crispy sweet potatoes as a bedding here. And then we'll now top it with our guacamole. And then sprinkle it with some crushed chili pepper. This is good to go and ready to serve. Hi guys, we're back here with our final product, our Paleo nachos. It looks so delicious. I'm gonna taste it right now. It's really good and definitely better than the ones they serve at the restaurants or pubs. And Paleo way is one of the ways to go if you want to be healthy. And for me, this is a step in the right direction because I want to be healthy like everybody else. And I hope you guys would give it a try to cook the Paleo way, and maybe you'd like it, and maybe it's good for you too. And once you do, please let me know what you think about your own version of it and how your health goes by writing down your comments in the comment section below. And again, thank you for watching today. I do hope to see you on my next video, and bye for now.